Hi guys, it's Maureen. Welcome back to my little English page. Today I'm teaching you a cool expression. On the brink of. On the brink of. This lesson will help you improve your vocabulary but also your speaking because the expression is perfect to use in conversation. But before we start, I do want to talk to you about Say Oh Yes. If you're looking to improve your speaking, stay posted. Say Oh Yes is a platform where we provide speaking classes in small groups. The lessons are fun and you can actually interact with the platform, allowing us to do more fun and useful games. And this really is the perfect mix of practice and studying because you get the recording of each lesson as well. This allows you to fully focus on the speaking practice during the lesson. Check out the link in the description to find out more about our classes at Say Oh Yes. Okay, let's get on with today's lesson. On the brink of means that something is about to happen, and it usually refers to something disastrous. Let's have a look at some examples. The company is on the brink of bankruptcy. I fear they might have to let us all go. The scientist was on the brink of making a discovery when he was found dead in his lab. Okay, so now why don't you leave your example in the comment section below to show me that you understand how to use this expression. And this is the end of today's lesson. Let me know if there are any other expressions that you'd like me to cover in the future. I love requests, so feel free to make them. Also, of course, don't forget to follow my little English page on Facebook and Instagram, but also to press the bell button to join the My Little English Page community. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, keep on learning. Bye bye.